gosh, dude, this is crazy. Rudy's got like a 4-pounder. I've got a 4-pounder on. Oh, got him. Golly, bun. 862. I don't know if you can see that.
Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Before we hop into the video, just wanted to do a little intro here because I never do them on the water for some reason now. Day started out super windy, gusting to 40, made it super tough to try to fish towards the end of the day. It got pretty darn good, so stay tuned and enjoy the video.
Oh, I think I got a wolf pack of them sitting on the edge of this grass. Oh, yep, look at him. You see him? Yep, he's on it, yep.
Get him. Catch him.
He's not even eating it, though. There he is. Oh my gosh.
Big.
Or he's just mad. We caught one, Rudy. He's fighting weird.
Good.
Probably just because I hadn't felt a bass in a while. Look at that bass.
Yeah, I gotta go.
Little Provoke 97, baby. Dude, he was right. These suckers are fat as heck. Okay, let's not do that, please. They're mad as hell, too. Where are the pliers? There we go, boys and girls. First one of the day, finally. Been out here for a couple hours. And she has not been easy, mainly just because of the wind. But let this little guy go. Fat sucker, healthy. Fuck, sorry. You close to him, you think?
Yeah, I'm right.
Oh yeah, you're about to come right by him. There's a fair bit of them sitting on the edge of that point. Oh yeah, I got some on me. Well, I thought. I can't tell because it's like right on the grass too. Oh yeah, no, they're on it. Look at them. There he is. Yeah. I don't know. He might just be hooked funny. He look good? There's a bunch of fish in that grass. Oh yeah, he just got hooked. He's a little better, but he just got hooked in the side. Another one, the old 97 DD to the face. Junior size tearing them up, boys. What? Oh yeah. And they dropped today. Oh, he sees it. Yep, oh, there he is. Oh my God, when he just turned off of it. There he is. He ain't that big. Oh God, we catching them now, boys. There's a bunch of them down there. This one ain't that big, I don't think, but there's like 30 of them down there. Oh wow, he's a dink. The other one that was with him was bigger. There we go, got it out and put a hook in my pants too. Good deal. Mega giants, boys. Phew. Yeah, that's what I've been kind of doing, is like when they get real hot, start slow, like speeding it up and then slow it back down a little bit. Yep, there's one.
Oh. I got a tie on that. I got a tie on that.
There he is. Got him. Not big, but hell, it beats getting your ass kicked in the wind watching giants chase your stuff. It's just like pick where you want to throw, and one will come out after it.
Right? Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, look under here. Yep, blue Gamakatsu box. It's a 3600. Yep, right there. You'll see it. That's the one I put on it. So to make this guy into a little bit of a sinking jerkbait, I put a size 6 Gamakatsu on it because these are like these are probably size 6s. I don't know. This one says it's size 6, but I think I put it in the wrong package. So this is probably like a 4. Yeah.
Oh, let's get it in the hand.
Yeah, that glare sucks. The shot right here is better, yeah. But yeah, you put just a size or 2 bigger on the front, and that'll allow your jerkbait to start sinking. So very, very helpful when you're scoping for sure. Because then you can get down to those deeper fish that don't typically maybe get a jerkbait presented to them that late, that close to them. Pro tips, baby. I missed it.
I guess pull them down. Come get it. 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 Come get it.
Got him? Got him! Oh my gosh! Rudy got one! I'm getting the net. I don't care. It's probably giant. What? Oh, you don't deserve the net on him. Just kidding. Yes, sir! We got another one!
We got it.
Holy crap.
Finally, they're fighting.
That was a frickin' beating. Holy moly.
Sir. They're fighting. Yes, sir. They're fighting. Oh, what are you recording?
Oh, yeah.
Cinematic release. Beautiful fish. I mean, just the genetic shit we're looking for. Finally.
Gosh. Oh my gosh. It's just a wall of bait. Where's the other end of it?
That's crazy looking.
Yeah. Literally just a solid wall of bait fish. Good lord. Get the sick action shot from the people. They're right there, bro. No way. Oh, I got the other one. Doubled up. Oh, they're good ones too. Oh my gosh. Insanity, baby. Dude, they're good ones too. Oh my gosh. Dude, this is crazy. Rudy's got like a 4-pounder. I've got a 4-pounder on. Show the camera. We are struggling with the wind today, but it is worth it.
Doubled up. Doubled up.
Dude, look at that's another solid one. Yes, sir. No, 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 no. Give me you. Yes, sir. Number 2, boys.
I'm gonna block the light.
Stand a little more left if you can.
Yeah.
There we go, boys.
Yes, sir. That's
Primo.
beautiful.
Okay. Let's get the release. All right, toss it.
Fish tap.
Fish tap.
Yours is like darker than mine too. That's sick.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes, sir. We did it, Rudy. We caught some.
That's sick.
Gosh, I was like, dude, I'm in them too.
Oh, I got him. I got him.
You got him. Get him.
I got him.
You had to have gotten him, you know.
leave on.
No way. That's a That's a good one. His head shakes are pretty dang big, Rudy. Pretty damn big, Rudy. Oh yeah.
Look at that.
She's pretty good. She's in the top of the mouth, but oh my god, she still ain't giving up. Oh! That's a giant.
Look at that fish, bro.
Look at that one. And it just, the hook fell out. Oh my god.
Look at that fish.
That's crazy. Look at that tub, boys. That's a kegger. Let's get the scale out on her real quick. Just needed a dumb one, Rudy. That's all we. Yeah, you're right. That's got to be 8. Yeah, that's. There we go.
What we got?
859, 862.
Yes, sir, dude.
862. I don't know if you can see that. 420, baby. The moon was supposed to start to rise or set or whatever, but that is a freaking tank on the old ferry one, boys. Look at that one. Oh, baby. Hell yeah, boy. 850, 862. Going back. Oh wow, she does not like me. She's biting me. Oh, there she goes, boys. Yes, sir. Rudy said I was gonna have to net it, and then he saw it. And he's like, "Okay, I'll help you." One, no, Rudy's two.
Got to be 3.
Got him! Woo-hoo-hoo! Rudy got one, biggin.
Hell yeah. Got to be 3, baby. Called it. Woo!
Oh! Yes, sir.
Guess what time it is?
Okay, we sound like a bunch of stoners.
I know, but it's the moon setting.
Yeah, it's 4 o'clock, yeah.
Oh my god.
Imagine they all start biting.
They are.
We haven't been able to see any bite.
Look at that tub. Oh my gosh. Dude, this is gonna be great footage. This is going. Look at that. Just that is a big one. I'm going in there. Only because I'm a good friend, Ethan.
Another one, boys and girls. Another beacon.
You gotta wait.
Yeah, I will. Yeah, oh, there we go. 482. Another good one. Another good one. Oh, she came off. that one. Chunky monkey.
This is the hour, the darkest place. Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world, good world gone bad.
November yet, and they're chewing a little cross round. Dude,